And happy early spring evening there, folks. Stampede Valkyrie coming back at you again, resurrecting my after hours videos. By the time this one goes up, there's a good chance that this light is already moved on. Here's another special one. This is another new old stock. Comes from a defunct upfitter outside of Philadelphia. It's a first generation SD bar, never mounted, never done anything other than sitting on a rack or in a display case when I found it. The blue domes are new old stock. Again, it's a first generation. It still have its stickers on it. Anything that came with it came out of the box is actually with this guy. It has its factory wiring harness and works pretty well. Again, this is another one of those like very, very hard to find bars, especially with blue domes, especially two new old stock blue domes. So with all said and done, I have had videos of this up before. I figured I'd just give it a more low light so it flashes and the pops come out a little bit better. So let me know what you guys think, and we'll go from there. So starting things off, let's go ahead and fire it up, and we'll see how this goes down. Gotta love the pop sequence on there. I mean, this is the one thing I will give the SD bars over the Twin Sonics is the fact that each side is individual. So the left side or driver's side and the passenger side are both individual of each other. As I've covered in other videos, you've got a motor, two motors here, and two belts. So in the event that one drive or one belt fails or the motor fails, the other side will keep going and vice versa. So there's some redundancy. I do like the fact that on this bar, there are the diamond mirrors in the middle. So it does give a little bit more of a flash. In many cases, I would honestly tell you that I think the SD bar is superior. Now, I know I'm going to get some hate. The SD bar is superior to the Twin Sonic outside of the third generation or Force 4s. So the first generations, yes. The second generations with the XL 9000 type rotators, still sealed beam, I'm going to go with yes. I still think it's a better bar. However, when we get to the Force 4s, which is the freeform rotators, whatever, I don't see them being superior to the Twin Sonic, which is ironic considering the fact that I prefer the aerodynamics without the sealed beam. So take it for what it is, but I'll keep this short, just me rambling. I really like this bar. The blue is really, really nice. This is a beautiful bar. Again, I'll be sad to see this one go, as I'm probably never going to be able to find something like this ever again. But I'll keep it at that. So I'll shut up now and let this run for a bit. You guys have a good rest of your Easter holiday, and also good spring. Hopefully you'll see me around soon.